This is to help you a little bit with the gizmo warm-up for the hydrologic cycle gizmo. It looks like this. I'll just read it straight through with you. So finish the prior knowledge. The warm-up says water on Earth is always in motion. These motions form a repeating circuit called the water cycle. The water cycle gizmo allows you to explore the different paths water takes as it moves from Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back. Now, essentially, what you need to understand is that the water that's on Earth is the only water that we have. We don't get new water from space. So all of the water that you have ever drank, that you've ever taken a shower in, you've ever swam in the ocean or a pool or a lake, that you've baked with, that you sprayed out of a hose, all of that water is limited. We don't get new water. But what's good about water is that since it changes phases, and you'll learn this about all of the atoms on our planet, they can kind of be recycled. So think about it. When you drink water, you may be drinking fresh water, and that water doesn't just go away. You either excrete it out in the bathroom, or you sweat it out. And when you sweat it out, it usually evaporates into the sky, and eventually, once a ton of other water evaporates, it forms a cloud and then rains back down where you can drink it again. When it goes into the toilet, if you urinate it out, you flush the toilet, it goes to the wastewater treatment facility, gets sanitized, and then they send it out into a stream, where in the stream, it could get, some other animal could drink it, or a person, or it could evaporate, go back to the sky, rain down. The cycle continues. The water that's in your body has been on this planet since the beginning of the oceans, since the meteors brought all the water onto the earth, and it just recycles. So what you want to do here is click on a few different things and just see what it tells you about it. Click oceans, what percent. So when you click on something, you have a whole list over here. You're going to start where you want to begin. Let's say you want to start in the oceans. Well, from the ocean, that has about 97.25% of the Earth's water. You're going to get information here that you should write down, as it says, on your packet. But what you'll notice is that the list went away, because once you choose a place where that water exists, it's going to show you where it can go from there. Obviously, it's not going to go to an animal, because animals don't really drink salt water. You may not have known this, but even dolphins, they need to drink a lot of water, but they don't drink salt water. Think about that. So from the ocean, you can go to the atmosphere, which is just so happens to be what it wants you to click. So then you click that, you get some more information. From the atmosphere, the water, which is vapor at this point, can become a cloud as it condenses. So click on those and answer these questions. Just read very carefully, okay?